This video will guide you through the installation of the indoor monitor S567. To ensure secure installation and proper device operation, please comply with the environment requirements in S567's quick guide. First, let's check what accessories and tools we need. This video takes the 86 junction box as an example. We will start with the bracket installation. Note that the arrow on the bracket should be upward. Fix the bracket on the 86 junction box with two M4x20 crosshead screws. Please ensure the bracket against to wall. If you use the 118 junction box or round box, please follow the installation instructions in quick guide. If you don't have any junction box, you need to cut a 52 mm height, 48 mm width, and 12 mm depth square hole in the wall. For detailed installation steps, please follow the quick guide. After fixing the bracket, we can proceed to device mounting. Before installing the device, you can connect the cables from the wall to the corresponding interfaces on the device's back cover, following the wiring interface section in the quick guide. Then, align the bracket on the device's base and press the device into the bracket, sliding it down to lock it in place. Use the Allen wrench to secure two M2x5 hex socket screws into the bottom of the device. Finally, check that the device is stable and the installation is complete. Thanks for watching.